the Small Business Incubator. It is right below the Higher Ed Center. So instead of turning into Higher Ed, you're gonna keep going straight down this road, and it is the first left turn when you pass the Higher Ed Center. So follow us down there. We'll take a look at the Small Business Incubator and where your welding classes are gonna be. So we have passed the Higher Ed Center. We have come just down this road just a little bit, and the first left after the Higher Ed Center is the Small Business Incubator Building. That is also where your welding labs and workshops are gonna be. So we're gonna go through the parking lot to the side entrance and show you how to get to those welding classes. We have pulled into the Small Business Incubator Building. We circled the front of the building and came to the side of the building. You have two doors on this side. If you are in any type of welding classes, welding labs, they are the second door on the side of the building. When you guys get here in the morning, your instructor for these welding classes, he is going to be waiting on you guys to open the door for you, let you in class, make sure you guys found the parking spaces side that you need to be on correctly. So he will be waiting here to get you guys started welding some stuff this semester, and good luck.